Hello guys, today I would like to introduce to you guys how to install the Hello Face and some tips we need to pay attention in the operation. Firstly, let's see how to install the hanger on the machine. As we can see, there are 4 holes in the hanger, so we need 4 screws to fix the hanger on the machine. On the top of the machine. Next, let's see how to install the handles. As we can see, there's a groove on the connector here, the mark. It's connected to the hole of the machine. This one, putting here. And another one also has a groove on the connector here. As we can see, the connector on the machine also has a groove here. It's compared with each other. Okay, we finished the installation. Next is the operation. Before the operation, we need to use the alcohol to cleaning the probe of this handle. Here and here, use the alcohol to clean it. And after the operation, we need to clean the loading box and the probe. Also, we need to inject some water into the loading box. And turn on the machine. Long press this button and hold for 5 to 6 seconds. And then if you want to chop off this loading box, we need to flip the handle to take off this box. This is for cleaning. You can put some water and cleaning this box by yourself. Remember, please bring the handle like this to take off the box.